Welcome to our channel. If you made a purchase using PayPal and want to dispute a merchant charge because you did not receive your item or it was significantly different from what was described, follow these step-by-step instructions to file a dispute and request a refund. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account by visiting the PayPal website or opening the PayPal mobile app. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity or Transactions section to view your recent purchases and payments. Step 3. Find the transaction you want to dispute and click on it to view more details. Make sure the transaction is eligible for a dispute, which typically means the item was not received or was significantly not as described. Step 4. Click on Report a Problem or Dispute Transaction. PayPal will guide you through the dispute process. Step 5. Select the reason for your dispute. Common reasons include item not received or significantly not as described. Provide as much detail as possible about the issue. Step 6. If you have any supporting documentation such as photos, emails with the seller, or shipping tracking information, upload these files to strengthen your dispute claim. Step 7. Submit your dispute. PayPal will notify the seller and give them an opportunity to respond and resolve the issue directly with you. This is called the dispute phase and can last up to 20 days. Step 8. If you and the seller cannot reach a resolution, you can escalate the dispute to a claim. PayPal will then investigate and make a decision. This process can take several weeks. Step 9. If PayPal decides in your favor, you will receive a refund for the disputed amount. The refund will be credited back to your PayPal balance or the original payment method you used. Monitor your account for updates and respond promptly to any requests for additional information from PayPal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.